Good morning, dear students. Today in this video we are going to learn about the articles. Now let me explain you what are the articles. The words a and the are the articles and they are used with the nouns. Now I hope everybody remembers what the nouns are. They are used to point out things, people and places. Now there are two different types of articles. One is indefinite article and the other one is definite article. Now let me first explain you what are the indefinite articles. Now the indefinite articles are a and an they are used before the singular countable nouns. Okay. Now coming on to the usage of a. A is used before the consonants. Alright, other than the vowels. Like for example, a cup, a book, a saucer, a TV, a table. All these were the examples where the article a is used before the consonant. I hope this is clear to you. Students, I hope it is clear that the article a is used with the words that start with the consonants. Now you have to note that there are some exceptions. For example, a university, a European. Now here we have used a before them. Why? Because these words begin with the vowel, but they are pronounced with the U sound, which is a consonant sound. Again, like a university, a European. So the sound there when we are speaking is U. That is why we are using a before these words. Next, here we can see we have used a 1 rupee note, a one-eyed man. So the words here begin with the vowel O, but one is pronounced with the V sound. So which is also a consonant sound. So that is why we use a before 1 rupee note and a before one-eyed man. I hope this concept is clear to all of you. Now coming on to the usage of the article an. An is used before singular countable nouns beginning with the vowel or the words with the vowel sound. For example, an apple. Here you can see that apple. The first initial letter of the word apple is a, which is a vowel. So we have used an apple. Here the initial letter of the word elephant is E. So we have used an. And here the initial letter of the word orange is O. So we are using an here. But here also we have used an hour, an honest servant, an honorable man. Whereas the words, they are starting with the initial letter H, which is not a vowel. But here we have to remember that the sound is R. It is a vowel sound. So that is why we are using an before the words which are starting with the vowel sound also. Now next we have to remember that there are a few exceptions and an is used before the abbreviation if they begin with the vowel or a vowel sound. For example, an MA, an MP. Now here you can see that these are the abbreviation, but since they start with the vowel sound, so we are using an before these. I hope this is also clear to all of you. Next, coming on to the definite articles, the. Now the word the is used before both singular and plural nouns, and they are also used with both countable and non-countable nouns. It is also used to indicate a noun that is definite or has been previously specified. For example, Close the door. I like the clothes that you gave me. The definite article the is also used before the names of the newspaper. For example, the Times of India. It is also used before the unique things like the sun, the moon, the sky. It is also used before the geographical proper nouns. For example, the Ganges, the Alps. It is also used before the holy or the great books. For example, the Gita, the Quran, the Bible. It is also used before the names of the trains, ships and aeroplanes. For example, the Taj Express, the Rajdhani Express, the Air India. Now it is also used before the well-known buildings. For example, the Taj Mahal, the India Gate, the Gateway of India. It is also used before the names of the countries if it contains a common noun. For example, the United Arab Emirates, the United States of America. It is also used before the directions. For example, the north, the south, the east and the west. It is also used before the whole families. For example, the Roys, the Khans. Next is the omission of article, where we have to remember that the articles are not to be used with the proper nouns, abstract nouns and the material nouns. For example, New Delhi is the capital of India. Here, New Delhi is a proper noun. So we don't have to use the definite article the before the proper noun. Next example is beauty pleases our eyes. Here beauty is an abstract noun. So the definite article will not be used before the abstract noun. Next example is gold is an expensive metal. Here gold is a material noun. So we don't use the definite article the before the material nouns. We also have to remember that no article is used before the following, like the names of the languages. For example, they speak Bengali at home. Hindi is the national language of India. Here, before the languages, we have not used the definite article. We never use the definite articles before the plural countable nouns that refer to the entire class. For example, apples are grown in Himachal Pradesh. Tigers will soon become extinct. We also do not use the definite articles with the names of the sports such as volleyball, hockey, baseball. For example, we say cricket is a popular sport. She plays tennis. We also do not use the definite article with the names of the academic subjects. For example, I did not like history and mathematics at all. We also do not use the definite articles with the names of the metals, like I will not eat dinner at home. I missed eating lunch today because I was busy practicing for the carnival. So here we are not using the before the names of the meals. Next, we do not use the definite articles with the expressions such as all day, all night, by air, by sea. For example, they will travel by air. He did not sleep all night. So these were the rules that we have to remember. Students, let me take a quick recap. In this video, I have explained you about the articles, about the definite articles and about the indefinite articles, and also omission of the articles, the places where we do not use any article. Now, if you have understood it well, the exercises that follow in your workbook will be easy for you to do it.